that I'm having 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So I'm going to join this corner with this one up until it crosses the vertical horizontal line, and join this one with that one, join this one with this one, and this one with that one. So start this one with that one. There you go. Once it crosses, I can stop. Understand? Constructional line. This one and that one. And start, stop. Understand? And this one with that one. There you go. I can stop here. This one with that one. There you go. You understand? So these points are the one that they are going to guide me. I have to place my drawing compass when I'm getting this axe. So I come and place my drawing compass at this point. Okay. This point. Further extend till here. Understand? So there it's gonna go dark like this, and this other side dark till here. So now come and place it here, further extend till right here. Dark, there you go. Then from here to the solid, from here to the solid, from here to the solid, from here to the solid. So the question is going to tell you to do not use what? A stencil roller. Do not use a stencil roller. So they want to see this constructional line. So from here to the solid. So check the bottom part of your bolt. So it's a straight line. It's a straight line. So that is why even here it's not straight. But if it was not straight, these arcs were going to get them even here, even here, even here. Right. So right from here going down, I'll record what? 100 millimeter. 100 millimeter. There it's my 100 millimeter from here, not from here, from here, 100 millimeter. So it's ending right here. So where my 100 millimeter ends, then I'm going to put my vertical constructional line. Right. So, which means there must be a nut. Yes, which is item number 8 is the nut. Which is item number 8. Check it nicely. Item number 8 is the nut, which means has to be fitted here. Which means has to be fitted right here, my brother. Right here. So if that's the case, which means here I can close it. You understand? So this nut is of the same dimension. M20 nut, M20 bolt. It's the same dimension. So which is that one? That one. Okay, so the height of the nut is it given? The height of the nut, which is 0.8 times m number, which is 20, so it's 16. So the height of the nut is going to be 16 millimeter, of which I'm going to record it right here. 16. This is 15. This is 16. I can see that. So now I'll come back and trace this line. This one, there it goes. Remember, I constructed, so I have a point here. This other one, I have another point there. This one, I have a point right here. This one, I have a point right there. So there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Understand that this point that I'm busy pointing now, because we must get a nut there. Must get a nut there, right? So construct it like this and finish. Construct it like this, finish. Construct it like this, finish. Construct it like this, finish. Now first place my drawing compass here. To the center. Come and finish it up. Actually, yeah. So same applies to this side. Till here. Till here. There one. Till here. So now come and place it here. From here to the dark. Then now come and place it here. From here to here. So that now you can have it dark here, dark here, dark here, dark here. Yeah. So remember that the set is ending where? It's actually ending here. So we're going to say the thread after nut is how much? 0.1 times m number, which is m20. So it's 2 millimeter. Understand? So this 2 millimeter, it should be this one. Oh, hot. It should be this one, my brother. 1, 2. Get it? So now this is there. 2. Can have it dark from here to there. You understand? There you go. There you go. There you go. This T-square, I'll never use it again. It's not accurate. There you go. Then up I can go like this, then up I can go like this. Get it? And then how long is your thread? How long is your thread? How long is your thread? Check this. How long is the thread? They said from here till it's 30 on it. 30 from here till it's 30 millimeter. So which means from here going in 30 millimeter. So my 30 is ending right there. You understand? Then at 30 I can have horizontal line. So this, they'll be exposed up like this and up like this. So the what to call the nut double lines like this. Then this is going to be angle 60. And angle 60. You understand? Then after that, what is left now is item 10. Item 10, item 10. And when you check item 10, it has got outside thread. Outside thread. So it's of the height of what? Of 6 millimeter. So I can simply record 6 millimeter. Item 8, it should be fitted right there. This is 5, there is 6 millimeter. So I just mark it is 0. You get it? So there is my 6 ending. Let's put horizontal. So at the center, I'll put the set is how much? The set is how much? The set is 14 millimeter and it's a square. It's 14 millimeter. So which means it's going to be 7 this side, 7 this side. So 5, 6, 7. Just this one. So 14 just from here till 80. There is 15. I'm looking for 14. Understand? So do the same thing this side. This is 6, this is 7. You get it? Be careful. This is 5, 5, this is 6, this is 7. So 15, I'll start at 14 and 0. So dark. I1. Then from there, I'm gonna go down. Remember, they said it's a square. Down till here. And this other side, down till here. Down till here, right there. Right. So I'm done. I'm done, my brother. I tell you, I'm done. So even this angle, I can just do like this. Remember, it's still the same. This method is still the same. How do you draw a hexagon? So this angle is angle 60. Can just do like this. Still on the same thing. So whatever method you might use, as long as you select the simplest for you, still on the same thing. Because this has to be parallel to this, this has to be parallel to this, this has to be parallel to that. You understand? Right, so now we are going to section. Let's trace the cutting plane. Let's trace the cutting plane. Let's trace the cutting plane. Trace the cutting plane, my brother. So the bigger the item is, the huge the hatching spacing becomes. You understand? So in this case, the biggest item is what? Is item 3, which is the pulley. It's item 3. And check this. Now there is something that we've forgotten. Actually not forgotten. We've been forgotten because we haven't done anything yet patterning it. Understand? Check this. This is quite interesting. Right from the this is nice, most. They said from here till here is 100, which is from here till here we've dealt with 800. Understand? Where your 100 ends, to go back with what? You go back with what? With you're gonna go back with what? With 80. With 80. From here till here, is it 80 or is 68 or is 88? I'm not quite sure. This one, this dimension. Remember, this is the printout, guys. So I'm not quite sure what from here till here is it, but this one is 8. I don't know whether it's 68 or is 88. Yeah. Let me take a closer look. It's like a 68. So I'm going to record 68 millimeter. 68 millimeter. So from 0, 68. This is 69, 68. So where my 100 end to go back 68. So you can actually see it's actually ending right there. So it's convincing me. So it's 68 ending here, right? So from where my 68 ends to go back with what? With 16. So I'm going to record 16 millimeter. That's the key with 16 millimeter. So which is this one. So that's my 16 millimeter. Then I can construct a horizontal constructional line. I almost forgot that key, which is item 8. So this is of a length of 16 millimeter. So from here to the 16 millimeter is going to tally with that one, So we are told which is gonna go inside with what? With 3 millimeter. 16 millimeter is that one. So it's gonna go inside with 3 millimeter. So 0, 1, 2, 3, which is this one. You see my dimension, they tally. They just tally. They just tally for themselves. You understand? So if it's like that, which means from here till here we have to erase. From here till here has to erase. This one has to remain dark. I can draw it dark. This one without favor. From here till here. You understand? From here till here it has to erase. Remember, we cut to expose the what? The inside view. We cut to expose the what? The inside view. So which means this one, my brother, erase it. You understand? So after you've erased that, so we're gonna go, what is the thickness? Is 6 millimeter. So which means the other side is going to be 3 millimeter again. So which is 1, 2, 3. So going to be dark like this. You understand? Then dark again like this, and like this. You get it? Then let me take a closer look again there at my what? Yeah, it's off the height of what? Of 16 millimeter, which is from here till 16 millimeter. You understand? So which means this one supposed to be dark. throughout till here. Okay, which one is this? Is this one? Check your item 3. It's actually that one. If we cut here, this is the top view, this is your front view. This is the top view of item 3, which is the pulley. This is the front view of item 3. So the hacksaw will start to cut from here till here, and then from here till here it's a hole. From here till here it will cut again. From here till here it's a space. Actually, from here till here it won't be cutting anything. From here till here it's gonna cut. From here till here it won't be cutting anything. From here till here it will cut. Understand? However, this is your top view, remember. You understand? So which means this one will be dark, this one will be dark, this one will be dark. From here till here it will disappear. I've explained it earlier on. So now this section. This section. So I'll decide to use the clockwise direction. The bigger the item is, the huger your hatches they become. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. It's already coming this side. There you go. There you go. That's done. There you go. Anyone. So what is this one? This one is going to be, it's going to be what? Going to be your item 3. Item number 3. So item number 3, and which is what? Item number 3, which is the pool. Item number 3. So followed by what? Item number 4. So item number 4 is a little bit bigger than item number 5, and it's a little bit bigger than item number 1. Understand? So if my hatch is of item 4, they were clockwise. So the following one that I'm following, decide to follow by, is supposed to be a little bit smaller. You understand? There you go. 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 I have it here. I have it right there. Then from there, this is already going out to that side, but this side is coming. Hey, boy. There we go. We have it right there, right here, right there. Why not having it? Then I can dimension this. Which is item number 4. So you must use the number so that you are fast most. You cannot use the name. It's pulley. If I'm writing 4, they will know what is 4. 4 is what? Is the pull. Remember that at the end of the day we have to print this. You print the part list as well as the scale as well as the title of the drawing. You understand? If you want to collect the total, all the 30 marks, you understand? So now I'm going to follow it by what? By item 5. Item 5 is bigger than item 1. Item 5. There you go. There you go. Let's see. Yeah. I'm going to have it right there. Dark here. Let me check it. If we cut here, yeah, it's correct. There you go. Just this one. There you go. There you go. Right, there you go. Let me put another one here. Put another one right there. Put another one right here. Another one right there. Another one right here. Another one right there. So this is going to be item number 5. And as well as item and so this one is item 5. What is this one? Item 10. Item number 10 and item number 10. You understand? Item number 10 and item number 10. So remember that they said how many of item number 10? They said 2 of item number 10. Understand? So that is why it's item we are having 2 of item number 10. You understand? So what can follow is item 1. Item 1. Item number 1. Item number 1. There you go. And there you go. There you go. This takes time, eh? The smaller your hatches becomes, is the smaller you want. I mean, it's the more time you spend. There you go. There you go. It's out there. But it's coming there already. I'm not going to use this T-square anymore. So there you go. There you go. It needs your special attention. There you go. You get it. So basically about bando, about item number 1. Number 1. Item number 2, which is this one. Yeah. Exhausted. So this becomes your item number 2. Right. Let's see, is there any item that we've mistakenly forgotten it? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is 6? Okay, I haven't labeled this one. I haven't labeled this one. I haven't labeled this one. So you must count them like this at the end. You know, which in total there must be 10. In total there must be 10. So the nut is item 1. M nut is item 8. Understand? Then this one is that one. The bolt and the key. I haven't labeled them. And so the bolt is hot. Bolt item number 7. Bolt item number 7. Understand? Then the key item number 8. The key item number 8. Actually, the key is going to be in section as well. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is number 6? Where is number 6? Number 6, which is the wash. Where is the washer? Where is the washer? The washer was supposed to be there. Oh, motherfucker. So when you are drawing, guys, you put the washer here. The washer was supposed to be there actually. I can't erase me. The washer, which is item number 6, the washer was supposed to be there. You know the function of the washer was supposed to be there. So if you fasten your work without a washer like that, of course it's going to be effective, but you need to show the washer. And hence you are given, you have to put it. So it's supposed to be there, the washer there. Then after the washer, then you put the nut, then you screw. So but I've already shown you how it's done. When you are now drawing, put the washer, please. Don't forget, like me, put the washer. The problem is that I'm talking too much. So 6 is the washer, 7, 8, item 9, which is the key. Hey, what is happening? Item 8 is the nut, then item 9 is the key. So this is item 9, not 8. My mind is tired. I'm still going to PSSD. Then number 10, which is 10. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the washer, 6 and 7, 8, which is the nut. 8, we have it here, right here. There is 8, which is the nut. 8, which is the nut. Then number 9, which is the key. You understand? So that is it. That was a long lesson. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. That was Mr. Kosi. See you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to support the channel, and make it a point, make it your point with the video you are watching. You just like it and comment, you understand, and share it to your fellow brothers and sisters out there. So thank you very much, guys. See you on the next video. But thank you, sorry my sister, for a late reply. You know me, I'm always apologizing. So see you on the next video. Okay.